Hey guys, it's Kylie. I am throwing together a quick crock pot dinner. One of my go-tos, actually, just some salsa chicken. All I'm doing is I'm adding 2 pieces of chicken. I'm setting it on low. Adding some seasoning. Adding some salsa. By the way, this is the Buc-ee's seasoning from Buc-ee's fajita seasoning, and it is good. Adding some salsa. I don't know why that seasoning makes me cough when I smell it, but it does. And then I'm adding in some water. And that is all. And there we go. And it's going to be cooking for about 5 hours. And it'll be perfect for a salad. And that's how I'm going to do it. So, love y'all.